Tomatoes and cucumbers are very heavy feeders, and if you want strong plants loaded with flowers, healthy roots, and continuous fruit production, they need regular nutrition. In this, we are going to learn how to make a powerful liquid fertilizer from simple ingredients that you will most likely already find in your kitchen. This homemade fertilizer is easy to prepare, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective for boosting plant growth naturally. Let's start the process step by step. First, take about 1 liter of lukewarm water. The water should not be too hot because excessive heat can kill the yeast. Slightly warm water helps activate the yeast much faster and creates a perfect environment for fermentation to begin. Now add 2 tablespoons of molasses into the water. Molasses is rich in natural sugars along with small amounts of potassium, calcium, iron, and other trace minerals. These sugars act as food for the yeast and help beneficial microbial activity increase rapidly. If you do not have molasses, you can also use brown sugar or jaggery, but molasses usually gives the best results because of its mineral content. Next, add about 20 grams of dry yeast. Mix everything thoroughly so the yeast and molasses dissolve properly into the water. After mixing, let this solution sit for at least 30 minutes. In colder weather, it may take more time because yeast activity slows down when temperatures are low. As the mixture sits, you will begin to notice an interesting reaction happening. The yeast starts feeding on the sugars present in the molasses. During this natural fermentation process, the yeast produces carbon dioxide, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, and many beneficial compounds. Tiny bubbles begin forming on the surface, and sometimes foam starts rising. This is a sign that the yeast is active and alive. The solution may also develop a slightly sweet fermented smell. That is perfectly normal. As the yeast multiplies, millions of beneficial microorganisms begin developing inside the liquid. These microorganisms help improve soil biology when applied to plants. Healthy soil biology is one of the biggest secrets behind vigorous plant growth. Look closely at the yeast mixture after some time. You will notice it has expanded a little and become foamy. That expansion shows the yeast is actively fermenting and producing gases. This reaction is important because active yeast contains beneficial compounds that can stimulate root activity and improve nutrient uptake in plants. Now take about 10 liters of water in a bucket or watering container. Add the yeast and molasses mixture into it. Then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and mix everything very well. Baking soda can help balance the mixture and may also reduce fungal pressure around plants. Tomatoes and cucumbers often suffer from fungal problems like powdery mildew and leaf diseases, especially during humid weather. While this fertilizer is not a magic cure, baking soda can help create conditions that are less favorable for some fungal issues. Once everything is mixed properly, your liquid fertilizer is ready to use. Apply it directly around the base of your tomato and cucumber plants. Try to avoid pouring too much directly on the leaves during strong sunlight. Early morning or evening is usually the best time for application. This mixture provides several benefits to plants. The yeast contains B vitamins, amino acids, proteins, and natural growth-promoting substances. These compounds help stimulate root development and improve overall plant vigor. Strong roots mean the plant can absorb more nutrients and water from the soil. Molasses feeds beneficial microbes already present in the soil. When microbial life increases, soil becomes more active and fertile. Beneficial microbes help break down organic matter and release nutrients in forms that plants can absorb more easily. Over time, plants growing in biologically active soil often become healthier and more productive. Many gardeners notice faster growth after using yeast-based fertilizers. Tomato plants may produce thicker stems, greener leaves, and more flowering clusters. Cucumbers often respond with vigorous vines and increased flowering as well. Healthy flowering is important because more flowers usually mean more fruits later on. Another benefit of this mixture is that it can help plants recover from stress. Plants dealing with heat, transplant shock, nutrient deficiency, or slow growth may become more active after receiving this nutrient-rich liquid feed.